Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Earth. Google Earth is the famous 3D map. By using, you can view any part of the world. It has many features like street view. You can directly view any part of the world street from your computer. Let's learn how you can use the Google Earth. In the Google search engine, you have to search the Google Earth. Then you have to click on the earth.google.com. So it will be open the Google Earth. So if you would like to view the particular city street, you have to search from here. You have to search London. It's automatically move for the London. Here they are provided the city description. You have to zoom in. So now you have to click on the 3D view. So I have to go for this street, click on this man icon and move it into the blue line. That's it. So you have to click on this arrow, it will be move. You can go forward or you can go backward. So you can go to click on by arrows. So you can also drag it for the 360 view. This will be useful for the street view where you would like to go for the particular area. So if you would like to move for the another city, you have to again go to search. So you can also go to the Voyager. That will be source for the famous in the world. If you click on the I am feeling lucky, it will be move for the famous place. You can also click on the projects. You can create the project based on these views. You can create and save it into the Google Drive. You can add the project here. You can add the description. You can capture this view and save it into the projects. So you can also change the map style. So clean, exploration, everything. So in this way you can use the Google Earth. The Google Earth is really helpful to move any part of the world. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.